In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Beats solo buds in case you're having issues with them, or maybe you simply want to resell them or give them to someone else. And you want to start fresh. So how do you do it? Very easy. First of all, put them in the case. Then open the case the way you see it here. And we're going to press both at the same time. Okay, these are buttons on them during 10 seconds until you hear a beep. So let's do it together. I'm pressing both of these Beats earbuds for 10 seconds. Okay, now we're at 6 seconds, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, did you hear the beep, beep, beep? Well, that's the one that you need to wait. And once you hear that, you can release the buttons. Do not release if you hear the other sounds that you were listening to before. You absolutely need to hear the beep, beep, beep. So this is it. Now they are factory reset. They're like new, and you can start pairing them with a new device. And to do so, it's very easy. You just need to open the case and bring them closer to your iPhone while the case is open, and you should see a small pair button appearing on the bottom of the screen, and then simply click on it. If you do not see any screen that looks like that, simply press one of these buttons during 3 seconds until you hear the pairing sound. Let me do it so you have an idea how it sounds. Okay, so this is the pairing sound. It will keep repeating until they are paired with a device. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, please leave them down below. If this worked for you, please leave a comment, subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next video.